How can I watch videos and make money online at the same time? We all watch videos every single day. We spend hours jumping from a video to another on YouTube, TikTok, and other video platforms. But what if I told you that you can make money while you're watching your favorite show or listening to your preferred music? This might sound like a dream to most of us, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch videos and make money online. This strategy can be used by all of us, no matter where we live. In the United States, Sweden, the Philippines, India, or even Pakistan. As long as you have a laptop or a smartphone and you want to make money online, this strategy is for you. You can make up to $4 for every video you watch. How cool is that? The beauty of this strategy is that the earning potential is unlimited. You can make $4, $40, or even $400 every day from only this website. To be honest with you, I spend a lot of time on YouTube, watching different videos every single day. This helps me learn new strategies on how to make money online and share them with you on this channel. I was extremely surprised and happy when I learned that this website pays you for simply watching videos, and I just can't help but wish I knew this before. But before we continue, I'm Michelle, and I'd like to welcome you to the Miss Finance channel, the place where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. We share new strategies all the time. So if you're looking for ways to make money online and create a new income stream, this is the best place for you to be. We would appreciate it if you give this video a big thumbs up and let us know what topic you want us to cover next. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. In my opinion, this is one of the best methods to make money online this year. It's a passive income strategy, which means that you don't need to work all the time on your laptop or smartphone to make money out of it. Just set it and forget it. Make sure to watch the video until the very end, as I'm sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to double up your earnings. Many people don't make money online because they don't follow the exact steps. No worries, I will share with you the entire method on how to watch videos and make money online. Just make sure to watch the video until the end so you know everything about it. First, I want you to go to twitch.com. Whether you're a gamer or not, I'm sure that you are familiar with this platform. It's a live streaming service that focuses on video games, live streams including podcasts, and even esports competitions. I love watching videos on Twitch when I'm having my lunch or dinner. It will be cool if we could watch videos and make money online at the same time. This is going to be a super exciting video, so make sure to watch till the very end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, it would mean the world to me. Once on Twitch, I want you to click on the Browse button. This will take you to the page where all the video categories are listed. You can find many entertaining videos which are being watched by millions of people at that moment. There are plenty of categories to choose from. For example, you can see videos about music, sports games, ASMR, etc. The one that gets a lot of traffic is the gaming category, where you can see many gamers from all over the world playing their favorite games. These videos attract a lot of attention every single day. So, I want you to go to the game category and then choose Fortnite, which is the most popular game played on Twitch. If you're not a gamer, it's totally fine. You can choose any other category and just follow the steps the exact same way. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to that strategy. Now I want you to click here, as this will take you to the Fortnite section, where you can see a lot of videos about this popular game. You can notice that this section has more than 70 million followers. That's incredible. I am not a gamer myself, and yet I prefer PUBG over Fortnite, as I find it more realistic. Let us know in the comments section which game you enjoy playing the most. First of all, we need to select a video from this list. You can choose the most popular video by using the filter option to rank the results based on the number of viewers. Alright, let's select this one for example. I want you to scroll a little bit down and hit on this button. It will allow you to share this video with other people. You don't need a social media account with thousands of followers to use this strategy. I will show you how you can share this link with millions of people for absolutely free. Next, I want you to click on the copy link. Now, moving on to the next step, I want you to go to this website, which is www.oke.io. That's www.oke.io. It is going to be the website that we will be using today to make money online. It's a platform that allows you to make money from shortening links. It takes you only 3 steps to make money online using this platform. You just need to create a completely free account, then generate a link, share it, and make money. That's it. I'm gonna show you how to do all that, and I'm sharing with you some exclusive simple tricks that will help you double up your earnings. If you visit the payout rates section, you'll see how much money the website is paying people every single day. The payment depends on where your visitors are coming from. It can go up to $4 if the visitors are coming from a Tier 1 country, such as Canada, Australia, United States, and the UK. But regardless of where your visitors are coming from, you will still make money. But I will show you later how to maximize your earnings using a simple trick. Let's click on Sign Up to create our account. It takes less than a minute to complete the process. Just fill up your name, email, and password, and you're good to go. This is a dashboard of our brand new account. Remember the link we copied earlier? Let's paste it right here, then click on Shorten to get the link that we are going to use to make money. We need to promote the links now. You can share them on Facebook groups, Twitter, or Pinterest, but you probably need a high-quality traffic source that is consistent and trustworthy. I suggest you create content about Fortnite and add in the links to the actual live stream on Twitch using the short links. You can find content that is ready to use on platforms such as trueachievements.com. You can then edit it and include your links, then post it on another popular gaming forum such as GameHag.com. People will be excited to click on the link to watch the video about their favorite gamer. The article will be there forever and Google search engine will pick it up. So you will have a consistent source of traffic, which is completely free. The other strategy is answering questions on Quora and including your short links. You will be paid every time someone clicks on the link. And guess what? The links will always be there and you will keep getting money as long as people are visiting your links. How amazing is that? Regarding the payment, oke.io allows you to withdraw your money using different methods such as PayPal and Skrill. And the minimum payout is only $5. So what are you waiting for? And that's it for today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned how to make money online using this strategy.